911, what's the address of your emergency?
Yes, ma'am. I'm on Driftwood. I'm at work. I'm driving a rig for my company. I just passed a man. He looks a little distraught. He's walking on the side of the road with a gun in his hand. And I'm the friend of law enforcement. AB said I'm a big Second Amendment advocate, but the man didn't look well, and I don't know why he's walking with a gun in his hand, an open gun down the street.
Dispatch available supervisor. I've got a disorder. Should be more of a welfare check for a subject at Hermitage Avenue and Driftwood Street. Middle white with baseball cap, tan shirt, dark shorts, looks distraught, walking on the side of the road with a full-size handgun in his hand, so that he did not look well.
You're right, 53.
580.
580.
Yeah, on your 54 subject, I got him down here, Hermitage Avenue, Middleton. If you'll start me a central car. Male white hat, khaki or camo shorts, black shirt, handgun in his left hand, just tucked it.
I've got 3 units that are en route. They were originally en route to Hermitage and Driftwood. Hermitage and Middleton.
That's correct. We're going to be central, just in front of the U.S. Community Credit Union.
I'll keep mine en route just in case they don't have anyone on Central available, but I'll advise Central also. Large, are you just keeping eyes on, or are you going to make contact?
Just got eyes on for a moment. Yeah, go ahead and step up.
Dispatch the other units that were en route. You stepped up also. Could be 580 has eyes on him at Hermitage and Middleton.
Sir! 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 Metro Police, put the gun down!
Copy.
Sir! Metro Police, put the gun down! Metro Police, put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Stop! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put the gun down!
Too much moment. 580, 10-9, you're 20.
Hermitage Avenue, Middleton Street.
Copy. Go ahead.
Code 1 injuries. 47 refused.
Copy. Eleven. I'm going to give one female a courtesy ride to 3865 Pike. Starting mileage is 102066. 0857. And 580 Hermitage has main correction. Central has been notified.
10-4, he's walking towards Lee.
I'm sorry, sir. You have a lot of background.
10-4, he's walking towards Lee.
Copy.
Hold the air until we get somebody with.
Copy. All units hold the air. 0858.
Stop! 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 Go back! Go! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Metro Police, drop the gun! Metro Police, drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Metro Police, drop the gun! Stop! 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 Go back! Go! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Metro Police, drop the gun! Metro Police, drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Metro Police, drop the gun! Metro Police, drop the gun! Metro Police, drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Come on! .580. Shots fired.